Hello everyone, welcome to this new chapter, chapter 7. It's going to introduce a couple of new data types actually, lists and tuples. So far our data types were storing one thing. Well, in case of a string it could store an entire text, but it was still one object. And most of our types would store just a value true false, or a value 5, or a value 1.415, and so on. So this is often not enough, and this is often an inconvenience. So imagine a scenario where you have to ask user for data and you cannot, as a programmer, know in advance how many values the user wants to enter. So none of those types will work very well, whereas lists and tuples will. So lists and tuples is basically a way to store a sequence of numbers or a sequence of words, and in any case, sequence of some other data types, maybe even a list of lists. And that is a way to handle such a scenario when you as a programmer don't know how many inputs the user will have, and lists come with special methods that allow using them. So here is your week 6. Before going on to check my videos over here, please do check these 3 introduction videos, or at least a couple of them. One for lists, one for tuples, and an alternative introduction for lists. There is list comprehension, which is a bit of a more advanced video. And go ahead to watch my lectures. Finally, we have some tasks over here, and we have a couple of additional videos made by Pearson. So you have plenty of information. When watching these videos, it's a great idea to kind of type up those programs and make sure they work, and that way you will understand the structure better. Or maybe close a video and try to reproduce one of those programs or 2 of those programs. So make sure that your homework is not the first time that you see this topic, in this case lists and tuples. Your homework will be about tuples. About lists. Your homework will be about lists. Here it is, and of course you have a quiz and discussion before that. Well, happy studies!